We are talking about cannabis stocks today because they went absolutely insane, and I'm going to be giving you guys my two favorite cannabis stocks to buy right now and to trade. We're also going to be going over a Tlry trade that I made today. You guys will want to see this, so stick with me. If you guys are new to the channel, or if you're not, hit the like button and subscribe for me. I do greatly appreciate it, and these videos take a long time to make, as well as help boost this video out to more people so we can help them as well overall in their trading and investing journeys. So now, if you guys have done that, I greatly appreciate it. There's also a Discord link in the description where you guys can join that, and I send out all of my buy and sell alerts for stocks and options every time I buy or sell anything, and that is free 99. Now, jumping on over to the phone, we can see that all cannabis stocks really started to run up around 1 p.m. and never really stopped. There was a slight sell-off around 3 during power hour, but we recovered that and even are hitting highs on a lot of these companies in after hours. So I could not find anything directly related to the industry as a whole besides some news with Tlry that we're going to get into. But if you guys do know something that I do not, comment down below. I do respond to every comment, so make sure you guys go ahead and do that. But I could not find anything specific to the overall cannabis industry to support this massive rally in these cannabis stocks today. And some cannabis stocks did better than others. Tlry did do better than any other cannabis stock today, so that is the one that I made the trade on, and you guys will want to stick around for that. And that's going to be the first stock on my choice. Number one is going to be Tlry. They outperformed the best today, and I like that. Also, I do like the news that I'm going to get into right now. Like I say, I don't like to read articles as well, but I really just want to read this part of this article I seen earlier. It says Tlry gets approval for medical cannabis in New Zealand. So says Tlry Inc. has received approval from New Zealand's Ministry of Health and its medical cannabis agency to launch its medical cannabis products there, the company said Wednesday. The Canadian cannabis company said the approval was the first to be issued under New Zealand's new medical cannabis scheme. Tlry's products will be available to New Zealanders with a prescription, the company said. That is why it looks like Tlry did the best today, but that article was posted yesterday, so it doesn't entirely make sense. So I hope you guys have some insight or maybe something to add to this discussion, but that would be my guess on why Tlry outperformed everybody else today. Now, Aphria was number 2, which suggests that Tlry is getting more steam because of the reverse merger with Aphria into Tlry. So that could be why we are getting more steam with Tlry and Aphria, but this is my number one choice, and we are even ripping in after hours. Towards the close of after hours today, people are loading into this. So I think tomorrow will be a great day overall for the cannabis industry, but I would honestly not be surprised if we go up 20 to 40% tomorrow. And that was the bell right there. So it does look good into open tomorrow. But I do want to explain this trade that I made and why I decided to make this trade. Now, I got a Tlry $40 call for March 26th. I paid $128, and I called this out in the Discord. When I made this, we closed up 75%. The stock's been going up in after hours. So overall, I think this will go up tomorrow, probably by quite a lot if we have a solid day. But anyways, if you guys want to be a part of that, link in the description. Like I said in the beginning of the video, the reason I went with the trade on Tlry was because I think this will happen fast like it did last time, and Tlry's short volume ratio is at 26%, which is higher than the other cannabis stocks that I could find. So I do think we are headed up to new highs around the $60, $65, $70 level very, very soon. So I do think this is going to short squeeze again. I think this is the hype that the stock needed. Some good news mixed with stimulus and everything else. I think this stock is primed to benefit from it. My second favorite cannabis stock is Aurora Cannabis. They currently sit at $10.66 a share. They were up about 8% today. What I really like about Aurora Cannabis, and I'm thinking this is a more of a long-term hold instead of a trade, but you can go wrong trading it as well. But they have a $1.94 billion market cap, which is even higher than Sundial Growers, which that means with each share you have more equity in the company, and that if you compare it to Sundial Growers, that means that they have a lower outstanding share count. Aora Cannabis does. So that means they have the potential to move big and essentially make you more money. The reason I did not make a trade on Aora Cannabis, and this is more of a long-term hold as well, is because they only have 14% short interest. So basically anything over 10% is in a prime position to be short squeezed. Now with 14%, that puts obviously them at a greater chance of being short squeezed, and I think overall they will get short squeezed along with Tlry and other cannabis stocks, but I see more value here long term with the current market cap, the current share price, all of that. But I think Tlry will get short squeezed more and has the potential to move big with higher premiums. So that's why I did that. But I do think Aora Cannabis is good overall for a long-term investment. Now, this was also updated March 10th, so this data should be very, very accurate, and this should be exactly where we are today. I imagine some shorts did get out today. Some might have got in, so the short interest could actually be higher than 14%, because obviously when a stock goes up, analysts, whoever, institutional investors, hedge funds, they think the stock isn't worth that, which I do think it is. But if they think it's not worth that, they will start to short it the higher it gets, because they make money on the stock going down. So that is just something to keep in mind, and that is my number 2 spot on this list. So Tlry is my favorite cannabis stock to buy right now. Just to sum this up for you guys, I think they have a higher chance of being short squeezed to a higher price point than other cannabis stocks. So that is why it is my number 1 choice. Now for my number 2, it is Aora Cannabis. Like I said, I think it's a better value investment. But if you want to make an options trade on Aora Cannabis, it's a little bit more stable. So I don't blame you there, and you can still make money on that. Now, if you guys got anything useful out the video, hit the like button and subscribe for me. I do greatly appreciate it. And if you want to be part of the Discord community and see these trades when I make them, like the Tlry trade I made today, which was absolutely fire and is going to go insane, then hit the Discord link in the description. Like I said, it's free 99. Look forward to investing and talking to you guys over there. But with that being said, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you guys have a great night. Look forward to talking to you guys in the Discord. But until then, I'll see you later. Peace out.